Hello there. In this video we will talk about human excretory system. It consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder and a urethra. This is how a excretory system would look like. When we talk about kidneys, the kidneys happens to be bean shaped reddish brownish structure. It lies on either side of the vertebral column in the abdominal cavity. The kidneys are responsible for the filtration of the blood, that is removal of nitrogenous waste. A ureter is a slender whitish tube which arises from the hilum of the kidney. It can be 30 to 40 centimeter long and opens into the urinary bladder. A urinary bladder is a pear-shaped muscular reservoir of the urine, lies in the abdominal cavity of the body, and the neck of the urinary bladder is surrounded by sphincters which would open only during the maturation. The urethra is a duct that transmits the urine from the bladder into the exterior of the body during urination. That is it, guys. Thank you very much.